7th. This is my friend Kanav. I'm sure that you've seen big mountains which blot out thick molten solid. Can you guess it? Yeah, it's called a volcano. Volcanoes are one of the most powerful and spectacular forces on Earth. A volcano is a hill or a mountain which has a crater or vent at the top. Lava, rock fragments, hot vapor and gas travels to the vent which is erupted from the Earth's crust. So for the experiment we need baking soda, vinegar, washing up liquid and food coloring. So we'll add 4 to 5 spoons of the baking soda. Now we'll take an empty bottle. We'll add some amount of vinegar. Now we'll add some washing up liquid. Now we'll add the food coloring. Wash it. No, wash it. Wash me. Now we'll mix it and we'll add it. Now see the eruption. This reaction demonstrates the classic chemical change between an acid called acetic acid in vinegar and a carbonate called sodium hydrogen carbonate in baking soda. When an acid and an alkali mixes together, it forms carbon dioxide gas, which is the foam you see here. So the washing up liquid is added, which aids in the formation of foam, and the food coloring is added for the color. This makes the eruption look more spectacular. This is a representation of what happens in real volcanoes. Thank you.
I'm a parent of Sanvi, studying in 4A. Actually, from last year only we have joined this school, and from the beginning we are really happy and enjoying the school. Like it's like a home for us also. Not only for my kid, and we are feeling very friendly. Teachers are very friendly. Even the management, the environment. Now, when we come here, we'll just feel like it's our home. Like we are only studying here. Like that we will feel, and we are very happy about the school. Thank you.